So now let us discuss Indian Penal Code, IPC, which came into force 1860. It has 23 chapters, 511 sections. It governs criminal acts and its punishments. It extends to whole of India. Also extends to abroad if there is a law such that crime can be tried in India according to the law. So therefore law should be there for which crime can be tried in India. It also extends to ships and aircrafts which are registered in India. There are various statutes also for which crimes other than not defined in IPC. There are different codes, but maximum crime and its punishments is covered in IPC. So let us have a brief look at its various sections and chapters. These are the various sections and chapters. Chapter 1 to 5. Look at the chapter 2, section 6 to 52, general explanations. Chapter 3, section 53 to 75, section 76 to 106. There are exceptions. Then chapter 5, sections 107 to 120, related to abetment, related to criminal conspiracy, offense against the state. So there are various chapters. Have a look for 1 minute. These terms often comes in newspaper. Like according to the section IPC and section this has been tried. So important chapters and important sections which often comes in the newspaper, we have to learn that. So let us have a brief look. Chapter 6, 7, 8, section this and what this section is all about. It is related to criminal conspiracy, offences against the state, offences related to army, navy and air force, offences against the public tranquility. Then offences related to public servants, offences related to elections, contempt of lawful authority of public servants. So let us have a look. Offences related to coin, related to weights and measurements, offences affecting public health, society, convenience, decency and morality, offences related to religion, affecting the human body, affecting including murder, culpable homicide, injuries to unborn children. Offences against property of theft, extortion, robbery and dacoity. You need not remember the complete table, just only few in which I'll talk about in the newspaper classes, current affairs classes, that this is important. So that was all about IPC 1860.